A quick channel update, but before we get started, it's friggin' hot here. We're already at midday and it's 40 degrees and we're in a heat wave. And let's hope the fires don't, destroy too many houses today. Anyway, some great news. Junkyard Wars is happening. The rules will go up on YouTube tomorrow night. The basic rules, but we need to do this just so everyone's across the board with the same rules. Simple as that. I'll do a quick vid and I'll post it up on YouTube tomorrow night. I also want to thank Po Boy Racing and Mark D from CRC Racing. They've helped me put the rules together and over the last couple of weeks or maybe even couple of months. And that's helped out tremendously. And another exciting thing is I just had an email from Red Pill Racing, and he's very keen to start sending cars across, along with League of Speed and Michael's Diecast Racing. So, man, already, if you guys send those cars across, we're racing, man. We can do at least a tournament a week, and hopefully that feeds off, and other people will get the vibe and send cars down under here to Mount Western Raceway to race. I also want to thank Toon Tracks Racing. He's been a great support and help with getting the channel up, as you all have to all the others that have given me a shout out. I really appreciate the help and support and comments and thumbs up and all that sort of stuff, because we are a small community amongst other sorts of racing sports, I suppose, whether it's slot car tracks or AFX or trains or whatever, we are a small group. I think I'm the first in Australia to produce a track like this. I'm not too sure, there might be others, I haven't found anyone yet. And I hope that through what I do, that I can encourage others to do the same thing. It's not that hard, it just takes a bit of time, and there's plenty of support out there, So anyway, rock and roll. I can't wait to get into 2020, especially with Junkyard Wars and all the other stuff that's going on as well. There's going to be tournaments all over the place. I'm looking at hot rod tournaments. I've got a stack of cars over there that I'm ready just to start shooting and editing and putting them up. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.